Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am vlogging from the car because I'm on my way to the greenhouse in Santon. I have a date with one of my favorite people. I have a whole lot of people that I like, so I have a whole lot of faves as well. I hope you enjoy the vlog. I will take better angles and everything when I get there, but for now, just wanted to say hello. What do you do, baby? Yeah, I'll see ya. See you later.
I won't bite. No, no. Love is just around the corner, babe. To do what we want, I wanna get in shape with you all night. All night. Imagine us there. Imagine us there. Imagine us there. Then you fall back, giving me signs that I've seen before. Yeah, it's cute, but honey, I want more. Don't waste no more time. No, no. There's no use playing hard to get. I figured you out, but you don't know it yet. So take off your mask. Yeah.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it's 2 days later after we have went to the greenhouse. I just want to tell you guys what I think about the place. I want to do this whole thing of like viewing new places and telling you guys what I think about it, if it's worth going according to my opinion or not. So I'm going to talk about the greenhouse where we went on Saturday with my lovely sister. So the greenhouse is located in Santon. It's literally maybe one restaurant away from Solo, where we went for my birthday dinner, which is amazing because I was familiar with the place. It was very nice. It's very aesthetically pleasing. It's very beautiful. It's very green and everything. I'm someone who loves nature a lot, so such aesthetics are really up my alley. So we went there on Saturday, and the people were very nice. The waitresses were very nice. The food, however, there's not that much variety because, well, they said because they had just opened 4 days before, so they're not really ready. But anyway, they're not really ready, so there's not that much variety with regards to the drinks, to the desserts. Pretty much the entire menu, maybe 90% of the things are available to serve on hand. Anyway, we sat, everything was nice. The music was incredibly loud. We couldn't really even hear each other speak. So that was not great, but the music was extremely loud. There wasn't that much variety, but the place is aesthetically pleasing. It's so gorgeous. And the atmosphere is quite nice. It just doesn't need somebody who like you can't go there for a catch up. Because that's really what we were there to do. So we couldn't even hear each other, and we're trying to catch up on what has been happening in each other's lives. So that's not exactly the best setting that you can use. But anyway, we ate, everything was great, the service was amazing. The pricing is not too far off from Solo, so it's not exactly shocking. It's not cheap, but it's not exactly like overpriced. So that was okay, I guess. Just made peace with that. You already know, you have an idea in mind when you go to a certain place because you've already Googled. There's menus and everything on the internet and on their page, on their Instagram page as well. So we already had an idea, but it's not exactly cheap. So maybe look at other cheaper places. But yeah, it was very nice. The ketchup was amazing. It was lovely to see her. She's such a beautiful, stunning human being. So everything, our conversations were amazing. Everything was pretty much, the company was great. So I could overlook everything else. But the restaurant is it's beautiful. It's just that you need to go there for a vibe more than anything else. Not for a ketchup or anything serious that you'd have to like scream your heart out for people to hear your secrets from the other table. So yeah, but then we ended up going to McDonald's to get dessert because they didn't have that much variety. We ended up going to McDonald's, got McFlurries. That was amazing because I love McFlurries. I love a McFlurry and I love milkshakes. So we went there for the purpose of just getting that. Went to the one by Greyston Drive. It's got a very nice outside area, so that was lovely. But now, however, today, on the other hand, I just want to do a quick beat. I just want to do a quick makeup, full face, a quick face to go and see a special somebody. It's soon to be revealed who this person is. But I want to do a quick beat. I'm in no way, shape or form a makeup artist or anything like that. This is just what I do, and it's a very quick one, so I'm not gonna have dramatic lashes and all of those things how I usually am. That's not how I'm gonna show up today. So yeah, I'm gonna start it on my face. I've already put on my my SPF, my moisturizer that has SPF. I use the Revlon one. I'm gonna keep looking down because that's where my mirror is, and I want to do a very quick face, so it's not something that you can take tips or any.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't do and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season, lay foundation. make a name for generations. Please and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. You always posting the pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me. Yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting a picture.
Okay, so that's pretty much my finished look. Very quick, very simple, just to look presentable, and it is proof that you bought. Just to look presentable and look very neat and be able to be comfortable with yourself without doing too much. I hope you enjoyed that very quick time lapse. If you want a more in-depth one, just let me know so I can do one in detail, because now I am in a rush, so that's why I decided to do a very quick one, because I don't really have that much time. But I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I hope you enjoyed everything about it, and comment what you'd like to see for future purposes. I'll catch you guys later. I'll probably snap some footage here and there when we are at breakfast with my husband, but until then, see you later. So now we're on our way, and I just wanted to show you this ice cream. This here ice cream is the best thing since sliced bread. All right, if you don't like this, we cannot be friends. This thing, this one, please
And make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. You always posting the pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out